I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Dodge Durango SRT versus Ford Explorer SD. We'll explore their key differences and help you decide which performance SUV best fits your needs. We'll look at engine power, acceleration, interior comfort, and overall utility. Get ready for a detailed breakdown of these two exciting vehicles, designed to give you a clear picture of their strengths. When it comes to raw power, the Dodge Durango SRT 392 packs a serious punch with its 475 horsepower V8 engine. It can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds. The Ford Explorer SD, while also potent, offers 400 horsepower from its twin-turbo V6, achieving 60 miles per hour in about 5.1 seconds. For ultimate performance, the Durango SRT Hellcat pushes boundaries with an incredible 710 horsepower. Inside, both the Durango SRT and Explorer SD prioritize family comfort with 3 rows of seating, accommodating 6 or 7 passengers. The Durango SRT offers 85.1 cubic feet of maximum cargo space with rear seats folded, while the Explorer SD provides a slightly larger 85.8 cubic feet. Both vehicles feature modern infotainment systems and premium materials, ensuring a comfortable and connected ride for everyone. The driving experience differs significantly. The Durango SRT offers a more traditional muscle SUV feel with its powerful V8, while the Explorer SD provides a nimble, sporty ride. When it comes to utility, the Durango SRT boasts an impressive towing capacity of up to 700 pounds, perfect for large trailers. The Explorer SD can tow a respectable 5,000 pounds, suitable for smaller boats or campers. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof containers, find the link in the description below. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities for power, handling, and hauling needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.